Hello, today I would like to share with you LED floodlight. There is a family 10 watt, 30 watt, 50 watt, 100 watt, 150 watt and 200 watt. I have received the sample so far. If something is wrong or manufacturer version has been updated, I apologize and I hope to welcome the correction. 150 watt provides super brightness, replacement for 650 watts halogen bulb equivalent. Floodlight features an adjustable mounting handle and an adjustable motion detector that allows you to customize sensitivity, time and lux. Tempered glass and cross design of heat dissipation with quality aluminum make the light more durable. Plug with ground wire connected and working voltage. Bring your outdoor space the best lighting available with this LED outdoor floodlight. Make this your go-to solution, commercial or residential floodlight. Left is 150 watt FL400 LED floodlight, and the right is 250 watt metal halide lamp. The FL400 LED floodlight has an illumination of 109 lux. Okay, come here to see metal halide lamp, which is 91 lux. Then, startup time of the two different types. The FL400 LED floodlight starts instantly and the light can be turned on immediately. However, metal halide lamp takes 15 minutes to start again and it takes time to respond. FL400 LED floodlight is perfect.